I am Anuj Srivastava, working as a senior manager at Bharat Forge Ltd. I completed my project management certification back in 2021. The team at ProThoughts, they really helped me to gain knowledge uh, by their classroom trainings, which given me insightful to gain this certification. The team at ProThought giving meaningful insights to use project management tools, which I'm using continuously in all my projects, especially MS project. The training designed and provided by ProThoughts on MS projects is very detailed and hands-on. This training helped me to develop critical insights for MS projects usability in all my ongoing projects. I'm very thankful to project management.